If I raid the BJP party office, what will be? What will be the result? They didn't have any guards. One side the SIR case, they are deleting all the names of the Bengal people. More than 2 crore people, 1.5 crore people are being called, 54 lakhs are being deleted.
All right, our viewers, this comes as a special unit of Enforcement Directorate conducted multiple raids at several locations in Kolkata. In fact, we're getting you visuals live from Kolkata where raids are being conducted, and we also have a strong reaction coming in from the Chief Minister, who says central agencies are now being weaponized. Now, viewers, these raids are part of a nationwide crackdown on a fake government job scam and alleged money laundering case. So several raids are taking place in Kolkata. We're getting you visuals, in fact, of that. And the raids are a part of nationwide crackdown on a fake government job scam and alleged money laundering case. Now, we're given to understand the security of the ED team has also been increased in Kolkata, as we're getting some very sharp reactions from the Chief Minister, Mamata Banerjee. So those are the visuals we're getting you live from Kolkata of the raids being conducted at several locations. These are ED raids which Mamata Banerjee now says are being done to target and to gather all the information about TMC right ahead of elections. Mamata Banerjee, in fact, has reacted very sharply to these ED raids being conducted, wherein she says central agencies are now being weaponized by the centre. Now, viewers, let me also get you details. As part of these operations, the IPAC office in Kolkata and the residence of the IPAC co-founder Pratik Jain were searched by the Enforcement Directorate officers, and soon after, it was CM herself, Mamata Banerjee, who rushed to Pratik Jain's residence. In fact, where she looked apparently very annoyed. So it seems that the centre and the Mamata Banerjee government in West Bengal are again at loggerheads, and this time it is over the ED raids which are underway in the state of West Bengal. Remember, multiple locations are now being raided by ED officers in the state, and as a result, CM has now reacted very sharply to this. Now, my colleague Varghese Abraham is joining me with more details on this. Varghese, do tell us, we're looking at a standoff between the centre and the Mamata Banerjee government in West Bengal over these ED raids. Help us understand what exactly is unfolding.
What we understand is that this has become a direct confrontation between the Chief Minister of West Bengal and the Enforcement Directorate officials. Now, she is at the spot. She is, in fact, challenging every aspect of that particular raid. She had come in with her entourage of security personnel as well, and now it seems to be a direct confrontation that is going on between the ED as well as the Chief Minister of West Bengal. What we have understood right now is that this particular raid was in fact or the ED raid was in fact happening in multiple locations in Kolkata. One of the locations has been the IPAC office in Kolkata, and residence of IPAC co-founder Pratik Jain was in fact being searched, and soon after that, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee rushed to Pratik Jain's residence, where she apparently looked quite annoyed and reacted sharply to the ED raids that are happening, and called it as the most unfortunate, and alleged that it is a part of misuse of the central agencies against the opposition parties. Now,